You can learn how to draw. Not much equipment, a few technical concepts and lots of practice will allow you not only to master this discipline, but to gain real expertise as well. It is the basis for all the other artistic techniques. How you hold your tool, pencil, charcoal, etc. is crucial, but nevertheless remains very personal. Your fingers, wrist, arms and whole body are part of your movement. The closer your fingers are to the paper, the more detailed your drawing. Conversely, rough and detailed sketches are done holding your tool a little farther away, to develop sweeping motions.
Start with simple subjects, such as still lifes, before undertaking more complex compositions, landscapes, portraits. To compose your subject, follow your intuition. Here are a few tricks to get you started. Rule of thirds. Divide your medium, horizontally and vertically, into 3 equal rows, then position the important elements of the picture near those lines, a simple but effective technique. Choosing the format. Landscape, horizontal rectangle, creates the impression of space. Portrait, vertical rectangle, gives the impression of intimacy. Panorama, very wide rectangle, produces a panoramic view. Square, draws the eye to the center of the picture.
Easy Drawing Tips provides tutorials and drawing instructions for beginner and intermediate artists. If you are looking for simple, professional quality step-by-step drawing tutorials to improve your artistic skills, then you've come to the right place. Pick a tutorial below and get started.